guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Saturday. You're here with City Coupon Mom. It is July 18th and it is 5:30 in the morning here in Chicago, but I figure I can do like a quick 5-minute video for you guys to show you guys some scenarios and breakdowns that I made so that you can do some of the deals in store today or use it as a guideline, whatever you choose. So I'm about to post the breakdown so you guys can use it, screenshot it so that you guys can zoom in. If not, I did post the same scenarios and breakdowns on my Instagram page, like always, at City Coupon Moms with the S at the end. But go in and do those deals. Make sure you guys are at the threshold. Make sure you clip the digital. Make sure all the digital is attached. I like to enter my phone number after the last scan item, but you can enter it before too. It's your choice. But yeah, other than that, comment below. Let me know what deals you guys do today. I'll see you next video. Here's the same exact gain deal I did last week. If you guys have the same digitals and didn't use your 5 off 30 or your gain digitals, you can do this exact same deal this week, today. Just grab everything shown, make sure it's gain scented, make sure it's attached, so you can get it for $7.85. Or you can do this 5 off 25 deal and get this for $8.90 plus tax. Just make sure you get that Tide Simply Oxy scent only, because the $3 digital is attaching to that Tide Simply scent. And make sure your subtotal is at $25 for this deal. Here's some Scott paper deals that I made. You can grab this deal for $12 plus tax. Make sure your subtotal is at $28, because remember, whenever that $3 instant savings come off, you need to be at 25 so that your 5 off 25 will come off. And then here is another Scott deal you can do with the Scott Comfort, where you can grab for $12.05 plus tax. Same thing. Make sure your subtotal is at $28 before tax. And like always, guys, if you need a substitute, make sure you're still at those threshold. Happy couponing.